How to forget locked chat secret code on WhatsApp. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can forget locked chat secret code on WhatsApp. For this, launch Open WhatsApp on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Now, when you tap on the locked chats option, it will ask you to continue using either your fingerprint or your secret code. You can tap on use secret code option, then simply type in your secret code over here, then tap on the continue option, and you can view your locked chats in this way. Now, if you have forgotten your locked chat secret code, what you want to do is tap on the forgot secret code option at the bottom. Once you tap on this, here it says that locked chats will be cleared and unlocked. This will clear all messages, photos, and videos in locked chats. Locked chats will be unlocked on the main chat list. And the secret code, if it is set, will also be cleared. So you want to tap on the continue option over here, then tap on unlock and clear option. Once you do that, as you can see, your chat has been cleared in this way. Now, if you again want to add this to locked chat, simply click and hold on this and then tap on these three dots. Now tap on lock chat, then tap on continue option. Now you want to tap on these three dots over here and tap on chat lock settings. Now tap on secret code. Now you can simply type in a new secret code over here, then tap on next, enter it again for confirmation, tap on done. Now as you can see, a new lock chat secret code has been successfully set. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.